How to view highlights in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check out the videos and highlights of your gameplay. First of all, open the application. Now you must make sure that you have turned the recording on. Now here on the left top, simply tap on your profile icon. So here we are in this profile settings. So here you'll be able to see your profile name and different option and histories too. Now on the bottom there's an option called highlights. Simply tap on highlights. So this is the place where you'll be able to view your gameplay and different highlights of the game. So all the recording will be saved here, and later you can check out the best moments of your gameplay. You can even download it and later share it among your friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.